Here's a look at this 3-in-1 copper tube bending kit right here. Just arrived, thought I'd do a little unboxing for you. So if you're thinking about getting it, you can see how it comes packaged and see what the product actually looks like. So we've got it all wrapped up in this Ziploc bag right here. That's all unzipped now. I'll pull these out and show them to you. So here's a look at them. You've got some different sizes. You've got an even smaller size. That's gonna be your mediums right there. This is the smallest. Here's a look at the tip right there. And here's a look at the tips on these ones. Let's see if I can zoom in and show you that a little better right there. It's got a little hook right there. And then on the other end, it's completely open. And then here's a couple of the bigger ones right here. You got 2 different sizes. This one's a little bit smaller than that one. And they have a good bend to them, but they quickly pop right back to their shape. So should be easy to bend for you. Should be really helpful. Should work really well. I think you'll be happy with this kit right here.